This is Binsion, Computer Adaptive Testing. This video will show you how to get started using the Binsion interface. Click the Buy Now button to get started. Create your Binsion account login by completing the application on the right. Once completed, use your email and password here to log into your account. Once logged in, click Add Subscription. To use Binsion services, pick a subscription that works best for you. Now that you have picked your subscription, enter your card information and click Pay Now to complete this process. You are now on the Binsion main dashboard. Use these switches to enable different test modes. Let's start with practice mode. Click the checkboxes to answer questions. It will then display the correct answer and the time it took to complete the question. And for most answers, it will give you a detailed explanation with photos. Now, let's enable test mode. You can see the balance of questions here. Test mode allows you to pick the number of questions you want to answer. You can select up to 100 questions at a time. Answer all multiple choice questions and click Submit. Test mode gives you your score and a calculated average time it took you to answer a question. Now let's enable CAT mode. Computer Adaptive Testing. That's the acronym. This is a true test simulation to give you a close experience of the Nclex exam. We offer two tests in CAT mode. Both differ in number of questions and the time you have to complete the exam. Once the test is initiated, you can see the number of questions at the top of the page, as well as the test timer on the right. Every time you answer an item, our system re-estimates your ability based on all previous answers and the difficulty of those items. Candidates cannot skip questions or go back to previously answered questions. The computerized adaptive test will automatically end if you have answered 50% moderate questions correctly and answer a minimum of 60 questions. If our software cannot decide your ability, the test may continue until time completely finishes. You need to continue the exam until the computer makes a decision. You also have access to notes, calculator, and resources a part of the test interface. You must select answers to continue throughout the test. You can practice as many times as you want, till your subscription ends. Now let's explore the left menu. You can click History to see a history of all of your completed exams. Now let's click Performance. This shows a calculated prediction. This will give you an idea of how ready you are for the real Nclex exam. This chart will be a collection of data. This is based on previous completed performances on CAT exams. Keep checking the performance page every day. If you see the prediction that you are ready to take the real exam, please go ahead and book with Pearson VUE. By clicking Notes, you can create and save notes to your account, as well as have access to all previous made notes. You also always have access to your built-in calculator and resources, all tools available to strengthen your progress. We want you to pass the real exam on the first try. Binsion. Ease, Pace, Ace.